Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Star Wars 3D puzzle is probably one of the most exciting and challenging ways to bring the iconic galaxy far, far away into your home. These puzzles offer a unique blend of creativity and problem solving, allowing you to construct detailed models of your favorite Star Wars vehicles and characters. Whether you're a seasoned puzzler or a newcomer to the hobby, these 3D puzzles provide hours of immersive fun and a rewarding sense of accomplishment. Number 5. 4D Star Wars R2 D2 3D Model Kit. Bring the galaxy far, far away to your home with this detailed R2 D2 model. It's a perfect replica, capturing all the iconic details fans love. This kit is a must-have for any Star Wars enthusiast. This kit is designed for easy assembly, with 201 durable punch-out pieces and clear instructions. No tools are required, making the building process a fun and satisfying experience. You'll enjoy putting it together. Once assembled, this R2 D2 model is perfect for display. It's an ideal addition to any room, office, or shelf. It measures 7.5 by 7.3 by 11 inches, making it a great size for showcasing your fandom. Explore the entire 4D Build Star Wars collection. Build your own epic puzzle collection, including other iconic vehicles and characters. Expand your Star Wars universe with these amazing models. Looking for a gift? This 3D puzzle is perfect for fans of all ages. It's a great gift for her, him, or any Star Wars fan. Give the gift of fun and creativity. The kit includes 6 cardstock sheets, glue, and detailed instructions. Everything you need to build your own R2 D2 model is included. Get ready to start your building adventure. What we like. This R2 D2 model offers a detailed replica, perfect for display. It's easy to assemble, making it a great choice for beginners. If you're looking for a fun and engaging project to decorate your space with a classic Star Wars character, you should consider this one. What people say. The model is very detailed and looks great when completed. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The finished product is sturdy and makes a great display piece. Number 4. 4D Star Wars Venator-Class Destroyer Model Kit. This Star Wars model kit allows you to embark on an epic building adventure. It's over 2 feet wide with movie-quality details, and comes with glue and a stand. The kit includes 14 sheets with 288 detailed, durable punch-out pieces. No tools are required, and the instructions make assembly easy. This is an authentic addition to your model kit collection, ideal for room, office, or bedroom decor. It measures 27 inches by 13.6 inches by 10.75 inches. Looking for a great gift? This model kit is perfect for any Star Wars fan. It's a fantastic gift for men, women, and anyone who loves a good challenge. Whether you're with friends or family, this model kit provides entertainment for everyone. It's perfect for game nights, birthdays, parties, or just for fun. It also includes 14 cardstock sheets and instructions. What we like. This Venator-Class Star Destroyer is a deluxe, over 2 feet wide replica. It's also easy to assemble, offering a satisfying building experience. If you like a larger, more impressive model to showcase your love for Star Wars, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I've been significantly impressed with each kit that I've built regarding how well they were designed, engineered for strength, assembly, and an impressive finished product. The level of detail is incredible, and you can really tell that every piece was designed with care. Putting it together is super satisfying, and the finished model looks amazing, so polished and realistic. I had a lot of fun putting this together and couldn't be happier with the finished model. This thing is big, over 2 feet long, and it has very good detail. Number 3. Fascinations Star Wars R2 D2 and C-3PO Metal Model Kit. This is a hobby model kit of R2, D2 and C-3PO. It comes with everything you need to build these iconic droids. The kit is designed for ages 14 and up. You don't need any glue or solder to assemble this model. Just pop out the pieces and connect them using tabs and holes. Tweezers are recommended for bending and twisting. The model starts as flat steel sheets. You'll pop out the pieces and then connect them to create a detailed 3D model. It's a fun and rewarding process. This model kit has a challenging difficulty level. It includes 6 sheets of metal pieces. Once assembled, it measures 4.25 by 2.36 by 4.84 inches. The model features highly detailed etching. Once you've completed it, you'll have a fantastic display piece. It's a great way to show off your skills. What we like. This metal model kit features R2D2 and C3PO, and requires no glue or solder. The highly detailed etched design makes it a standout piece. If you are looking for a more challenging and intricate build with a unique metallic finish, you should definitely consider it. What people say. The detail is amazing and the quality is great. The finished product looks fantastic and is a great display piece. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. Number 2. IncrediBuilds Star Wars Millennium Falcon 3D Model Kit. Introducing the IncrediBuilds Millennium Falcon Model Kit. This allows you to build a 3D replica of the iconic ship from the Star Wars movies. It's a fun and engaging project for fans of all ages. Inside, you'll find a full-color booklet packed with information. It covers everything from the ship's capabilities to its famous owners and battles. You'll discover behind-the-scenes secrets too. The patented puzzle interlocking joint technology makes assembly a breeze. The model is freestanding and sturdy. Just follow the step-by-step instructions, no glue or tools are needed. Looking for a great gift? This model kit is perfect for Christmas, Easter, or birthdays. Fans can explore their creativity with endless customization possibilities. It's a great stocking stuffer too. The model is made of eco-friendly, FSC-certified wood. It includes 61 pieces and is designed for ages 12 and up. When assembled, it measures 4 by 5 by 2 inches. What we like. This Millennium Falcon model is a wood puzzle, paintable, and customizable. The easy assembly makes it accessible for all skill levels. If you like a hands-on project with the freedom to personalize your model, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy assembly, took me 6 minutes maybe. They're easy to put together, fun to do, great to display and don't need glue to put them together. The details were well done, and the pieces made from fairly good material. Number 1. 4D Puzzle Star Wars TIE Fighter LN Model Kit. This model is an official Star Wars licensed product. It's made with precision and care, ensuring an authentic representation of the iconic TIE Fighter. The kit utilizes our precision core gate technology. This advanced manufacturing process ensures the highest level of detail and accuracy in every piece. 4D and Lucasfilm have partnered to bring you the most detailed 4D kits. You'll be amazed by the intricate design and the realistic look of the finished model. The modeling sheets are manufactured with a thickness of 1.85 mm. This provides durability and makes the assembly process easier. All colors are approved through Pantone references to match the true likeness and color. This ensures that the model looks exactly like the real thing. A full instruction booklet is included to guide you through the assembly. Also, a tube of 6 ml modeling glue is provided for the final steps. What we like. This TIE Fighter model is an official Star Wars licensed product, manufactured with precision core gate technology. The detailed design ensures an authentic look. If you are looking for a high-quality, officially licensed model with accurate colors and details, you should consider it. What people say. They're already built easy to follow and make and he enjoyed creating them and he has them on display still. Once assembled, the model becomes real sturdy. I will definitely go for the other models available. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.